That sounds good.
Right? Because I'm so tired of them. They exhaust me.
Yes, that's a good plan. I like that.
Yeah, so let's see. So I was thinking like, okay, once we put the trade on, then I could go on TikTok. I have the TikTok ready, but I'm not gonna press to go till like we have the trade on.
Yes.
You know?
That's a very good plan. I like that.
Yeah, so I knew you're gonna be happy. So I just unmute you. Tom Tom, I know I meet you before, so you are unmuted right now. So you can talk if you want.
Can you hear me now?
Yes. Because one time
Okay.
one time you were at work and your mic was on, so I mute you. So I think the settings stayed muted. So how are you? What
Good.
what
You
have
didn't like hearing my drilling.
say that again, please?
You didn't like me drilling at work.
No, no, of course not. But
Yeah, it made a quite loud noise. So sorry about that.
no, it's okay. So I just muted, so no big deal. But how has your trading been? I know you have some experience. I know R's been teaching you, but like you've been with me what, couple weeks now? How's it been for you? Like
Last week I had I was at work about 65 hours, so I didn't do nothing else last week.
Okay, so then let me
Yes.
retrace like rephrase the question. Like, have you learned anything by watching the stream? That's the
Yes.
what is the biggest thing you learned so far? Because then I need to see what the reason I get to know all my people here. The community is small, so I'm trying to get to know everybody and find their strengths and weakness. And because I say like I'm a strict teacher, but I also want to take it to the next level. So, what is it the most that you learned that was kind of surprising for you, or you didn't know about it?
The Friday's stock day.
Mm-hmm.
I hadn't seen that kind of work before, so that was quite interesting.
I was pretty impressed that when I asked on Monday what stocks we were watching, you remembered. So I know you paid attention. All I'm asking is to pay attention. So I was pretty impressed that you knew was Amazon and what was the other one we watched, Tesla? Yeah. But you knew it. You were paying attention, right? So and do you have your paper account set up?
No, it isn't quite yet.
Okay. You're working on it?
Fine. Yes.
Okay.
And what day is today? Tuesday and Sunday when I was shopping, I bought myself a notebook
Okay.
where I can write things down.
In the meantime. But is there like a program like on your computer, on your phone that like in my case I could buy like Tesla and see what happens on a paper account? And my company gives me $200,000 free paper money, which meaning like you could come and write it down. I bought Tesla 300 on paper. That's fine too.
Okay.
But instead of writing it down and like you need to go physically open the charts and check what happened, the company does it for you. So let me see if I could show you really quick. Have you heard about like paper count like that? Like paper count with the company?
No, I haven't.
Okay. So watch, can you see my screen a little bit?
It's a little blurry.
I know, it's okay. That's fine. It's not so see like it's yellow. Yellow means that it's paper count. So when it's yellow, it's not real money. Okay. But I see positions to go up or down. The total, which I know it's blurry, I started with 200,000 And now they give, I already made 400, the total I have is 453. Okay. I know it's blurry, but just listen to me. 253, but I started with 200,000. Okay. You see some positions are red, some positions are green. That's fine because that's what market is going to do, but that's how I study. Okay.
Yeah.
And
Only
this
one I have for paper trading is trading views.
That's fine. I don't care. That's fine. Just do it.
But I haven't learned to use it.
So that's your next step.
Well.
Yes. So now this is the next step. So I want to teach you to paper trade. Okay. Because what happens, like D Queen is here. I know she is usually with her parents and taking care of her parents, but she has been doing really good on paper trading, right? So paper trading, eventually your brain in 2 years not gonna know if it's a real money or if it's paper money. Why I need you to place the trade. Okay, to understand the process behind it. So now, for example, let's look at one of my positions, right? Let's look at the green position. I know it's blurry, but I open AMD. I open up my AMD and I looked on my AMD, my entry price, you can't even see, is the purple line is 232. Okay. So now AMD is at 500. That's over 100%, correct? So now I go back and check my AMD position. I'm up almost 5,500. But I also calculated I had to put 5,500 to make to have the 5,500. Do you see what I mean?
Yeah.
So instead of writing the paper, yes, the price was 250 and now it's 550. I already know. Do I have the $5,000 to make $5,000? Maybe yes, maybe no. What happens if I bought it 2 shares? What happened if I bought it 5 shares? How much I made? How long it took? Was it a year? Was it a 2? Was it a day? Was it intraday? Do you see how much studying needs to be done in this?
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's look at my other position. And again, I'm a very strict teacher, so, but I mean well. So let's look at my bull position, right? Bull was $6, okay? So I open up, I see my position. I bought it at $6.79. I bought 100 shares. So with bull, I spent $600, almost $700 to be here. What is my profit? $50. So that's like less than 10%, but I didn't spend much money. All right. Let's look at the position that I was up, but I didn't take profit. Scenario number 3. I had a really good stock. I bought it and I said, I'm not going to sell it. I bought it at $83. It went to $133. I was like, I'm going to hold it. Guess what? I'm in the minus. Okay. So all of these have scenarios that 10 years later, 7 years later, I'm still studying. Okay.
Yeah.
So there is a lot of learning to. Okay, my other position that I wanted to hold it for, it was in the community, is IONQ. I told everyone around $40 to buy it, and it went all the way to 73, almost double the money. Well, I wanted to see what it means if I hold it almost forever. And now I'm only up. Let's see, what am I up? Hold on, I lost it. Where'd you go? I'm just gonna type it. So let's see. I'm only up $61. Okay. I put $4,000 in it on the paper account. $4,000 in it. I was up $4,000, but I decided let me hold it. And I'm only up now $60. Do you see how much, like, even me or you, we all can learn from paper trading?
Yeah.
But then also it's good to practice. Let's say right here is my MU position. So I'm up 25 grand. But how much do I have to put it to make 25 grand? I put in, on paper money, $60,000. So is it worth it to put $60,000 to make $25,000? Anybody can come and tell you, like right here, I'll show you, oh, I made 25,000. Yeah, but how much you put it in to make that? So that's why a lot of times I talk percentage wise, okay? Go ahead, you were saying something.
Yeah, what is it?
I'm sorry.
What app?
Oh, see, I don't think in Europe they let you do this. I think a lot of Europeans tried it. So we have Charles Schwab's and it's called Thinkorswim.
Ah.
But you can check. But obviously, I texted you. Yeah, but obviously
you can get Charles Schwab in Finland also.
Can you? They let you?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So that's the one I use. It's a very powerful trading platform. It has a lot of old-fashioned tools and it has all the articles in you. When someone in the group asked me what happened with the stock, I just go to the stock and it has the news. It has everything is in one. It's a little bit old-fashioned. It's not as new and fun as Webull and all that. I get it. But I'm an old-fashioned kind of girl and I'm okay with it. So for example, so when you open your position, it has your research. So if the stock dropped or the stock went up, right away you see it. You don't have to Google it. Everything is here for you. When you download Thinkorswim, which is under Charles Schwab's, where you see with my book map, I have a book map in there. I have all my tools to chart it out. Yeah, thank you, R. So this is what I use, but everybody can use their own. And I strongly, strongly, strongly encourage to do paper trading for at least a good year. If you're confident in your position and you're like, okay, it's a stock that's not gonna go anywhere, that's fine, go for it. But only if you think about it, R has so much experience and only now he's dipping into stocks. Okay. So when I post, that's fine. When I post the stock, like I posted in Intel, I want you to start paying attention. I want you to start marking your charts. Even if you come back a month later, 2 months later, 3 months later, oh my gosh, she was wrong. Oh my gosh, she was right. But you study, you're collecting data. Okay? Okay. So we're good. Alrighty. I see Melissa here, and I see D Queen here. Yes. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So I have some interesting news to share with you. Nothing big, but just something small. So I was talking with R yesterday. He kind of like knows me, already knows my character in a way. So I think TikTok people really, really like outbalance me a lot. So I'm gonna go on TikTok live when I have a trade. So I'm gonna make a decision just with the family and only do TikTok live so they cannot ask me if I want to marry them. Did you hear that yesterday?
Oh no, I didn't. Yesterday I was in the office.
It's okay, yeah. So they were asking me, would you marry me? I was like, dude, one, I'm trying to make a trade. It's already hard to trade. Second of all, I told him I'm a bad investment. I'm a really expensive girl. And if you want to ask my first husband, he'll tell you I'm horrible, I'm controlling, and I had 5 boyfriends and I'm a marriage. So really, no. You don't want to marry me. Trust me. Retraced your proposal. It was all life. Girl, I have some balls too.
It's everything on TikTok.
So So I was like, no. I was like, oh, maybe I can. I was like, look, I'm so expensive. I said, I'm really expensive. My kids go to private schools. You cannot make me happy. Imagine like paying for all my kids' private stuff. They have every sport they do. They have every private coach. So bad investment. Your trading will not be enough. So unless you trust fund baby, then I don't want to talk to you.
You should have just said, hold on, let me ask my husband. Ask him if you can marry me.
Yeah, well, I told him to ask my first husband. He'll tell you to run away from me. So
How you didn't miss a trade because of your marriage proposal?
see, I'm like,
You did. How you didn't miss a trade?
I did. I did miss the trade. It was a beautiful long. Okay, propose. And then I get like, we're going short, we're going long. What should I do? I was like, please do not take financial advice on TikTok. Just this is not the place to get financial advice on. I'm just saying.
Oh god, were they like real folks?
Yep. They like been following me for a while. Yes.
Okay, you're married again. Congratulations.
Yeah, third time. I'm like, let me see your 401k and let me see your inheritance, and then we'll talk. At this point.
Yeah, let's see your portfolio.
Yes, I'll tell you.
Yes, sir.
If you can afford me. just my coffee addiction and my vitamin stuff that I take and my gym membership is probably $350. Yeah, you can't afford me, dude.
And your chocolate.
My chocolate addiction. I'm like, I mean,
very expensive chocolate.
Yes.
Oh my god.
You know,
I learned that in my I didn't realize I could spend that kind of money on chocolate. Like, geez.
I'll send you. Okay, I took a picture, the Dior chocolate I told you about. Maybe like you can order some, but it doesn't have to be a lot. Okay, I tried a lot of chocolate. This is the best thing I have ever tried. And the whole family were able to try 2 pieces each. So 2 pieces each probably run us like $20, but you know, it was so worth it.
It was worth it. So
yes.
I brought the gloss. Look, I can't pronounce this, okay? La Roche in Switzerland? I can't pronounce it, okay? But it's something like that, like Laderache, La de Rouge.
Sounds very similar, yeah. I mean, sounds familiar.
Yeah, and you just, they just break it off and weigh it, and it's like, yeah, give me all of that.
I know that one. That's a Switzerland. I know that. We have a store here. Yes, they come in the big blocks, and then yes, I know that one. Yes, with LA on the top with 2 dots.
Yeah, they're really good. I love dark chocolate, but they have, the dark, the milk chocolate. It was really good, and I couldn't believe. I'm like, am I really spending all this money in chocolate?
So my kids get like, they all inquire the taste. My kids get like a tiny bit from that store Christmas time. I did send you the Dior one right now too.
Okay.
And then there is this other one which I will send you later. Yes. Send the chocolate. You're gonna see it's very simple. Send me chocolate. How to trap a Lithuanian girl. Put a chocolate here and I'll be trapped. Easy. Easy. So yeah. And then another thing that I have a phone call today with a German company actually. That's gonna be really interesting. The German company, we'll see what they have to say. I see Christy here. Christy, can you hear me? Just type yes if you do. I see Dan here. Welcome, Dan. Ima is here. If Christy types yes, I'll show you guys something. Hi, Ima. Look what I have. I knew you're gonna be on a stream today. I just knew it. That's why I made this coffee cup. For those that don't know me, she sent it to me, a little girly gift. The best like hair clip, with my A on it, and Pilates socks, and some coffee mugs. So yeah, I just knew she's gonna be here. Just knew it. She's been busy with work, so certain things we know. Yeah. Yeah, Ima saw our exchange of TikToks. I sent her a hat that says "Too pretty to work this hard" or something like that, something along those lines. So yeah. All right, so the level that is very dangerous right now on NQ, I want to show you something. Yeah, I like girls supporting girls and things. So let me show you something on the what is very dangerous zone on MQ. So this one will pay attention. Okay. Let me show you. Let me show you. Oh, I do know that one. Well, maybe not. I know the phaser. I don't know the Carl's phaser. So I'll send you my address. Sounds good to me. All right. What do we see in this right here? Please explain to me why I said it's a very dangerous zone. Oh, it's the same company, yeah. Geisha was the other one. You know Geisha? Geisha chocolate. You see bull flag? How do you see the bull flag? Like from here to here? Yeah, I could see that. Yeah, let's see. There's the line. She sees the bull flag. I know there's a way to do a fancy way, but like we're just gonna do like this way. Is that what you see, man? And then the flag, right? What else we see? Tom, have you seen this one? Okay, I'll just have to put it on. Hold on. So I'll send it this one. It is by Phaser, actually, the geisha one. Yep. Oh, okay, you know that one. Okay. I can send it to the chat, I think. I already answered the question. Does anybody else see what I see? Okay, I could send the other two, the Dior one too, if anybody wants to. Just look at it. Don't even buy it. It's too expensive. You don't see what I see. That's why I'm waiting. I'm giving a little bit of a chance to answer. Tom is rich. Yep. Yep. You kind of get it. So, so if you like me, you do swing trading and you swing trade the chart. I mean the stocks, like swing trading. The swing traders or institutions, they don't do like what we do in 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes. Right? They do this chart. That's why you see me a lot of times doing a decision at 4 hours. And I have to check if we reach the levels. Okay, let's do this really quick. We have time. Because this is very important for your long-term trading. This is very, very important chart. Let me see. What did I post it? Okay. All right. So we reach all the channel. Yeah, but so I'll explain to you Melissa right now in a second. This is where a lot of people get burned right now. Okay. So let's get this one. So the last 3 green ones that we had was 28,950. We have a little bit of time. I'm going to do this really quick. So that was, okay, let me do that one more lower. That's fine. Just to be more visual. Okay, so there's, and we posted this one more below, but just to save the time, so we breaking out, we touched the red ones, we touched the top ones. Okay, let me do 28, 7, 20. Yep, we touched this one. Bottom line is it broke out of this, right? It broke out of, and it touched all the, retested. Okay, this is why it is dangerous. You retested all the levels on a big time frame that we did it a Sunday before. All right, so it did those levels, it went through it, and it broke through it. So now the next one, which I didn't put it because it was 2 Sundays ago, no, 1 Sunday ago. So the next one, can you guys see the next one already? See, look, if I will extend this one. Okay, can you see that, what I see, or no? No, no one is typing. No. I'll give you a chance to type, or you can talk, because I'm not doing the TikTok right now, so. Correct, correct. Okay, let me take it to the next level. And the point for this is that, one, we have a little bit of time right now, and second, to teach what I know. Yep. Okay. And what's the next level? Anybody can figure it out while I'm doing the next thing. Please figure it out after, if we reach this area, again, it's not exact price, after we reach the 313. Okay, let me answer why it is dangerous. We broke through the 200 EMA, and if we reach this one, no one knows where it's gonna go. Look at that, they just reached. You guys watching this? Look. Oh, thank you, Emma. You are really good. See, you got this, girl. You really got this. No, Tom. No, actually, Emma is right. Doesn't mean that but that the big one. I'm talking about the big one in the big time frame. Okay, so it's really hard for big institutions to place the trade in 700 points difference. Okay. So the danger zone is already broke out of the 200. Will it come back to retest it and fill in those gaps and then go? Or it's gonna, it's like, it's a very, very, very dangerous zone because everybody could be right. Meaning like the shorts could be right and the longs could be right. Okay. Okay, so now we had a big push, which we all really happy about. Okay, but now are we gonna retrace it back a little bit? Come on, stay with me. There you go. So I'm measuring this up move that we had. You see, it respected all of the Fibonacci's. Can you see that? Why is a very, very dangerous zone? Like a lot of people gonna get lurked in to go long. Some people are shorting. I feel a lot more comfortable to go long when it's super far away from the 200 EMAs when I find the stocks, right? So because I know they're gonna meet, always does. Literally always does, no matter what happens in the world and how bad it gets. So like right here goes super far away, it comes back and meet. Here went so far away, it comes back and meet. So anytime it's super far away, I have no problem with it. Okay. So yeah. So when you, like, you know, many years from now doing this on your own, this is a decision time. Very, very dangerous zone. Dangerous for like day traders, I would say. We're still gonna try to catch the trade. Not being sad or questions. Did Melissa, you see what I see? Or no? Okay. So there's no answer, right? So like, okay, is it gonna go short? Is it gonna go long? I don't know. I really don't know. The big picture, it's okay. So when it was so far, okay, 6 minutes left. So when it was so far away from the 200, you know, the technical analysis did what it's supposed to do. It met up, and now it's trying to break. Is it a fake out? It's gonna take us down. Is it a breakthrough? So in the big picture, all the gaps been filled. All of the no matter how strong the earnings are, they still respect that levels. When I posted yesterday about PLTR, why did it stop there? Right? It is magic, but it is levels. It is mathematical equation at the end of the day. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. That's why it's really, if you like me that look at the bigger time frame, it's really hard to have bias. You know, a lot of time people say, what's your bias? I really don't know. On a short time frame, in 5 minutes right here, we have to retrace back to 29.30. So on a short time frame, it looks more like a short. But again, it's an earnings season, so okay. 5 minutes left, so let's see what happens now. Anybody has any questions? SpaceX is bouncing. Okay, you're good. Yeah, no bias. Let's see what happens. And I know me and I were watching SpaceX, so SpaceX is bouncing. That's good. My husband is into SpaceX. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Look at the hat. What was it say? Too pretty to work this hard. Yes. She is so pretty though, and she is so kind and so sweet and willing to give you everything, and she wants you to succeed. I mean, pretty girls don't usually do that. So I am forever grateful for her and our friendship. Yeah. So the orders are pretty thin too. Can you, okay, so we pre-talked about this. Can you guys see even the orders are pretty thin at pre-market? Good morning, everyone. Even the orders are thin. Not just me does not know what's going to happen. Even the book map is telling you what I was just telling you guys. Okay, 3 minutes till open. No, I'm talking about you, Christy. Yeah. I see shorts too because of the imbalances that I talked about it. But look at bookmap. And they keep pushing. So if you see shorts, I see shorts, they're going to try to kick you out, which means they're going to go long. So that's why it's hard for me to make decision on how to bias right now. That makes sense? Because we went over the bigger time frame. You see the shorts? Yeah, there's some levels right here. So let's see what happens. 3 minutes left. Two minutes left. Did everybody enter into my giveaway? Okay. You have to follow all three. Okay, you have to follow all three things. You can enter through TikTok, but make sure you follow on three, on YouTube and Instagram and TikTok. You have to follow all three, just comment on one, it's fine. Yeah. All right. Yeah. And then follow Tradeify because that's their rule. But I think you do follow Tradeify, right? Okay, let's do this. Anybody's nervous? Everybody's good. When my computer rings the bell, can you guys hear it or no? Let me know. I'm interested to see. I mean, to know if you hear it, yeah? Okay, that's good. I like the bell. Yeah, okay, good. That's good. All right, see, even the order book is thin, so let's see what happens. Okay. You guys heard that? Okay, let's see. See, this usually is a big candle, right? Ding, 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 perfect. So, like I said, it's a very hard decision area. Okay, how many times this candle is huge, and right now it's not? Yeah, manipulation, yes. So here goes the short. It's gonna get kicked out. You see that, Ima? Like how hard, like even though you could be correct with your shorts, look at that. Okay, we'll wait a couple minutes and see what happens here. The LTR is still taking off, which is great. I posted Intel is taking off, which is good. And you guys been watching the book map. Usually it's a lot faster than this, and this big order is at 320. Let's see if we're gonna get taken or not. See how's these shorts working out. Small, more big order 350. We're gonna grab that. Come on, you know you want it. Let's go. Nope, not yet. Yep, come on, you want it. So after this big order, we'll see what happens at 350. Yep, come on, you eating this. Anybody want in long or not yet? No way, yeah. See, because even though we saw all these imbalances, we saw all these shorts coming in, right? So this is the level, I believe this one, the green one, we drawed it out ourselves. Yep, look at that. The 313 level that we draw it reached, right? So now we see a big order 350, which got eaten up. Okay. Intel is flying for all my stock people. Congratulations on you, Tom, because I was so excited when I got my big screen. It was a Christmas gift from my hubby. And I told him not to because it was so expensive, but I've been using it now all the time. I can't imagine my life without it. So I'm really, really happy for you. So in order to go long, I need the retracement to like 300. In order to go short, I need to be below like 280. Can you guys see that? Yep, I see the same. Okay, good. So you guys know I trade slow and steady. Right, all the shorts are being like crying. See the big order 400? Oh my goodness, that's a huge order. Oh my goodness gracious. Yeah. I don't know, Emma, all like they want to kick you out, not you. I know you're not in a trade yet, but you as a short person right now, everybody sees the short right now and they try to squeeze you out. It's called short squeeze. Yeah. Retracement is the other way. Yeah, see? That big order got eaten. I can't, even though it's going long, and you guys know I like to go long, I just can't put my money on it yet. My account looks pretty, but yeah. So I know you missed it. We were pre-talking about all these levels and the danger of the zone right here, even though like my brain likes to go long and I see the long, but this is called a short squeeze. Wait till you see the news today. Market recover. Market got so many points. PLTR did this and AMD is gonna do this. Yeah, you'll be laughing when you hear this because we know it's manipulation. You'll be hearing my voice and my sassy attitude. Yeah, I need to see if the 421 gets eaten first. Yeah, he'll be really happy to see that going up. But we saw that 200 that is trying to break. So now it's going to be either fake out for longs or they're going to really take it up. The risky one. Yeah, if you're trading futures, you're definitely the risky one. So you could see you could have made money. I know Tom follows stocks and D Queen. So Intel, you could have made a pretty good money today from my watch list. Right? Can you see this right here? So now what I'm trying to make a decision, is it just retracement to go higher? I'm trying to look for orders. Or is it we're gonna take a short right now? So TomTom right here, while I'm looking into this, let's see. If you would have taken the trade, even on the paper trade, you would have been up over 2% in one day. Nope, there's no retracement. Okay. Nope, no retracement for you, but it's extending. It's extended, it's extended, it's extended. So it's okay. We're gonna try to be smart. I really wonder if we can take a short at 350. Let's see. No soup for you. Yes. No soup for you. So that's the first below 9 EMA. So let's see what happens next. It's up 470 points. So that's just a lot, which is good. Okay, so it has big order, the 377 order. Okay. Short squeeze kind of day. 500 points up. Crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's awesome though. I'm happy. I mean, like I said, my account is really good. Okay, so while we're waiting for retracement. So in order to like do better on social media, I kind of have to share the totals, I guess. Like once a week, I'm going to be doing the videos. Like, oh, I made this amount of money a week. I will share with you what the power of having stocks and holding them and not stressing about it. Not to show off. Please don't take this as showing off. Please take this as inspiration. Okay, you guys ready? Okay, I want you to type promise that you're not going to take this as me showing off. Before you type promise, I want everybody to say a promise before I share this with you. Yeah. 1, 2 of you saying that. Yeah, I really don't want to show off. Like, that's just pinky promise. Okay, I have 3 of you pinky promise me. All right. I see a couple more typing and then I will share. Okay. Okay. I'm dropping it in 1, 2, 3. Okay. You go for it. Inspiration, not to show off. Okay. It's so hard. Like, I really, yeah. My point, why I want to teach you guys stocks. Look at this and look at what is this one is doing. Look, I post to you guys Intel. Okay. I post to you guys Intel. And you up already 3%. I guess that was the retracement, but I don't see this as retracement. Do you guys see that as retracement? Okay, I really like, I just want to give hope and inspiration. I started this with making $20 a day. You guys do know that, right? It's just my capital grew over time. There's no retracement. I said that's supposed to be a retracement, but it's no retracement. You got 5 minutes. And it didn't break the line, so there's no way to go into this. Yeah, we have to wait for retracement. So, okay. So do you guys see what I mean? Like, let's trade futures. Let's try to get a payout, but let me teach you a lot less stressful way to do this. Thank you, Tesla. That's why please pay attention to my stock posts. Please get a paper account. Please start practicing. Futures are really, really, really hard, and futures are very, very stressful. Let's look at Intel. The one that I posted yesterday. Look how much slower the tape is going to be. Look at that. Isn't that easier to trade? You see the order, and you get out. Do you see the difference? Okay, let me show you a little bit more without showing my account. Can you see this? This is Intel, the Intel that I posted yesterday. Okay. And everybody says, oh, I'm a bad trader. Oh, I cannot make it into trading. But look what you guys trading. Okay, I'll stay quiet. I don't know, you have spent years perfecting this, and I'm so grateful to have learned so much from you. Be proud. Yeah, I'll get you guys there, but please pay attention when I post the stocks, and please start practicing, and I'll get you there. Yeah, preach. Do you see the tape, the difference in the tape? Oh no. So people wonder why they cannot make it, why the platforms always win. Because I'm not really like live on, other platforms. I could tell you freely all that. Okay. Okay, so first 15 minutes have opened, so that's fine. So now the or people are gonna jump in. Let's see what they say. So we're seeing the wicks right now in 5 minutes too. You guys see that? We're seeing the wicks. The time is aligning right now. He needs to retrace back to the 400. Let me see where the 200 is on here. So Intel is retracing. The weave up, it's lower, so I think pretty soon we'll be able to take it short. Let's see how it acts at 400 level. Do we have more orders up there? Yeah, we have it at 500. NVIDIA is pushing down. Let's see. Okay, so let's grab the 500 order and then maybe we'll look for shorts. Ima, aren't you glad you didn't go short yet? Yeah, so I kind of saved an account for you right today, even though technical analysis and you see all the, it's also earnings season and we see all the orders, right? So yeah, okay, I'm looking at it right now. Bang. Okay, I just did almost 950, right? We need 950. You've been patient. You've been very, very patient. So I don't think it's gonna retrace till it reaches the 500 level. That's what I see. You're not out yet, right? Or you need like 950? See, point of control even. Okay, Emma, look at this. Point of control on 5 minutes is 28,900 and 1 minute is 29,200. So all the point of control, all the money is there and these keep pushing. This is the classic short squeeze. When was the last time you, there goes your 500 almost. There you go. Just get it, girl. Go get it. When was the last time you saw so much one direction without pullback? Please type. When was the last time? Have you seen? Yes or no? Have you seen this much push without the retracement and it's already been 20 minutes of the market open? Okay. Anybody else? News at 10. Okay. 600 points up. Okay. We'll wait 9 minutes. Okay. Emma, everything is screaming for shorts and it's not coming. Everything is screaming for shorts. ¿Qué ustedes, las fritas? Roshan says, hello, what's up? I'm learning to use volume profile. Before I used to trade using ICT. Volume profile gives more confluences combining with ICT. Point of control, action rejection, auction rejections. Yeah, real-time data. Yeah, 1000%. I'm not an ICT trader. I know a lot of there out there, but I'm just price action kind of girl. And very, very careful kind of girl because I did not get into long, even if I love longs. It was just way too dangerous for me. Shorts on MYM look decent. What's the MYM? Yeah, like just wait. Let's just wait for the news. Everything is screaming. Look, like I said, point of control is here, right? Point of control is here because different time frames will show different time. They just keep eating it up. Those 500 orders. Oh, the Dow Jones. Okay. I thought it's YM. Oh, you mean micro? Okay, now I get it. Okay. Yeah, I could see that. It's already retracing. And I see the 200 at 522 on Dow Jones. See, they keep pushing. This is a short squeeze kind of day. Okay, let's grab those 500. Let's get it over those orders and let's see what happens. See, they moved up orders too on the point of control too. Yep, no more orders. I mean, 515 is not that far. So let's see. Let's see if we get our retracement to go short. Or our reversal, I should say. Let's see if we get our reversal to go short. 5 minutes till the open. I mean, till the news. So let's see. So we're back at point of control. Let's see. How long you've been trading for? I've been trading for 7 years now. What are the major problems have you faced an initial day of trading? Hold on, I have to concentrate. I'll answer your question a little bit. Okay. See, I want to go short, but we have the news right now. Is everybody the same? Yep, everybody's the same. So I'm itching to go short at this 4:30 area. But we have news in 3 minutes. I kind of want to put my order in, but I don't want to get grabbed with the news. Okay, the next candle will be the news. So. Nope, no big news. All right. So if I get grabbed, I get grabbed. If I don't, I don't. Where's my order? I hate when this happens. Okay, there you go. So 421 has to sell. If it hits, it hits. And if it goes my way, it's the 400 to add. Hello. I still have orders at 473. There's 463 in the orders. Demo orders at 500. It's a limit order to go short. But I might have to cancel it because it's not gonna be retrieved. All this gap needs to be filled. Yep, I'm gonna go grab the 500. There goes the 500. No, there's no reversal today, you guys. It's only longs. This is too far out now. Anybody took any trade? So what was your entry? What was your oh, market order instead of limit order? Okay, so you did the short, right? So what's your entry price? Yeah, what's your entry price? Yeah, it's a short squeeze kind of day. That's okay. You will learn what it means, like the short squeeze. It's pretty interesting. So continuation, this is hard for 4, 5, 4, 5. Oh, I see right here. Okay, just with one micro, right? Yeah, so that's you about like this much in the minus. Yeah, just wait it out. What is this? Is this as one of the craziest days? It's the earnings season for you guys. We have been watching markets together. This is like the craziest day. You could probably average it in right now, Melissa. First, they pump everything down before the earnings season so they can buy it cheaper, and then they take it back up, and then they take profits. And then when they take profits, then they lure us in into a long, and then we sit in the minus for months. Yep, that's how it works. Why? I think you would have been okay. So, or you can take 2 micros now. It's the same thing and make it back. Yeah. Yeah, if you take 2 micros, then it will be the same thing as averaging. So I'm trying to catch the 500, I guess 491. I want to see, like, wait, see what happens at the 500 level. Or they're going to take it to 536 and then they're going to take it down. Big orders at 536, 550. Absolutely everything is screaming to go short. The most frustrating part will be like when you look later in the day, you'll be like, oh my god, you went my way. I'm telling you, if you have enough capital to hold on to your trades, you can always get out with the green day. Okay, that's the 535. Continuation day crazy. Okay, so tomorrow I will not be able to trade because I have to take my kid early to school. And then when he gets busy with school, I'll be trading more with you guys. Hopefully some afternoons too. No promises yet. I have to see how his schedule works out, but tomorrow will be too stressed out for me to make financial decisions. Just low grind up. Yeah, that's why I'm not like choking up too much. And I'm gonna wait like 2 more minutes, see what happens in like the, was it 10:15? And if it doesn't grab my order, like it's fine. Just fine. It's okay. Because you see, they keep putting orders up. And that's okay. Like yesterday, you were glad you didn't go short, right? So maybe today I'll be glad I didn't go short. We'll see. It's really hard to go in long, right? So why I last so long in this game, because I'm just a little bit careful. Like there's just no way to enter. Like it is so hard to go long. Yeah, better safe than sorry, exactly. So I'll wait 1 more minute and see what happens, and then that's what the earnings season does for you. It's the PLTR that's pulling up so much, and it's up 23%, and it's not stopping. It's only one red candle on PLTR, which is great. It's good for our accounts, but when it comes to trading, it's really, really, really hard right now to get into the trade. I took a position on Tesla. I'll show it to you guys. I think my entries at right here. The confirmation. So this is a little bit more cleaner for me. Like it bounces off the 200. It has a confirmation that it's done with the downtrend, and I took this one right now. Yeah. I'm just trying to teach you guys too. Like, are you gonna grab the 550 or no? It's not a big chunk, but it's something. The goal is to take it to like right here, 380. I can't show here because I have to go to 4 hours, but you get an idea. Come on. You wanted the 550, take the 550 and let's go down. Come on, you know you want it. There you go, Melissa, you're watching this? Yeah, so I'm not there in the trade because I'm waiting for confirmation. So let's see. Look at the intel that I told you guys about. Can you guys see? You guys be making money. Let's see. What is intel? 5% in the day, and you're done. Keeps on climbing. That's okay. That's why I'm not going in like on the market order. It might be like the lunch reversals, which is in 45 minutes, and that's okay. If it doesn't grab my order, it doesn't grab my order. Oh, Intel? Yeah. Intel, yeah. Fantastic. But can you see you could be like quietly making your money right there. Okay. See the 500? Do you see that 500 right here? Do you guys see that? So that's my confirmation if it goes below the 500 to grab the orders. Well, I'm glad Tommy watching this, so. I need Melissa to have Green Day. See, now they've been placing orders around the 500. Okay, let's see. So that's why I didn't do 500, because I need a confirmation for them to take it down. So they went to the 500, they took the short entries right here, and then they're gonna bring it back up. That's why I needed a confirmation. That makes sense? Yeah. So let's see if we get tagged. I think we'll get tagged. And if it goes my way, we're gonna add at 477. Yeah, it says get more viewers coming live on TikTok. TikTok drives me crazy, so I needed a break from it today. That's the 500, so let's see if we get confirmation. Am I tagged? Not yet. Okay, should be tagged. Okay. So 477, I see another big order. That's what my order is at 477, just like here. And then the 465, 462. Come on, I gotta use the restroom. Come on. Oh, no, but someone put a 550 order. Okay, all the orders are here. We're gonna be running. I'm gonna use the restroom. I'll be right back. Well, at least I didn't grab my second order yet. Okay, let's get over this. We want to move on with our day.